Hello, welcome to So. In today's video we will learn about the interface of Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. When you first open Photoshop, you will see the default workspace. Let's learn this workspace in little detail. At the very top, these are called menus, and the whole bar is called menu bar. There are different menu options for accessing different functions of Photoshop. These are File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, 3D, View, Windows and Help. We will learn these in detail in another video. Below menu bar, lies the Tools Options bar. This bar contains additional options for each tools in the tool bar. Floating on the left-hand side of the interface is the tool bar. Here all the 20 tools are listed. We will see all the tools in detail in our another video. On the right-hand side, all the panels that are made visible are shown. These can be expanded and collapsed as per the need. In the new 2018 version of Photoshop, now you can search additional information with the search button. If you are a professional and like to create your own workspace, Adobe have given that options too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos.